How to import MBOX files into IMAP account. Do you want to import your MBOX files into your IMAP server or IMAP compatible email clients? Introducing Regain MBOX to IMAP migration tool. With this software, you can import your MBOX files into 8+ IMAP email clients or IMAP servers. Moreover, this software facilitates MBOX to Amazon Workmail migration, MBOX to Office 365 migration, MBOX file conversion into multiple formats. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain MBOX to IMAP migration tool. On Google search, open this website. This is our official website. From here, you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. This is how you can easily install the software on your device. Now let's run it and see how the MBOX to IMAP migration works. This is the dashboard of this software. Here first, you will need to import your MBOX files. For that, click on the Add MBOX File Folder button. Select the folder where your MBOX file is located, and then click on the OK button. Then click on the Next button. Here you can see the MBOX file has been successfully imported. Simply click on it, and you can preview all the available emails at the top right panel. Click on any email and you can preview it at the bottom right panel. Now click on the Cloud Migration option. You can see multiple IMAP and other email clients here. If you select any of the first 4 email clients, a new window will appear. Here you have the option to connect your Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, hosting or webmail, IMAP or other accounts. The login procedure for all these IMAP accounts is the same. For this tutorial, let's connect the Gmail account. So first select Gmail or G Suite. Enter your Gmail email address. Enter the correct password of your Gmail or Google account. If you have turned on the 2-step verification in your Google account, then you must generate and use the app passwords instead of the main password. After you enter the email address and password, simply click on the Login button. Here, make sure the Gmail option is selected and then click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started. According to your MBOX file size, it may take a few moments to complete the migration. When the migration is completed, you will see this message: File conversion process has been completed. Now let's open Gmail and verify the migration. Here you can see the MBOX folder has been successfully migrated, and all the emails of the MBOX folder are now available to my Gmail mailbox. So this way you can perform MBOX to Gmail or any other IMAP email client migration. Besides it, this software facilitates many more features. Let's cover them one by one. MBOX to Amazon Workmail migration. Here again, click on the Cloud Migration option. This time, select Amazon Workmail. In this wizard, simply enter your Amazon Workmail email address and password, and then click on the Login Now button. Once your Amazon Workmail account is successfully connected with this software, you can directly migrate your MBOX files there. MBOX to Office 365 migration. Again, click on Cloud Migration. Now select Office 365 or Exchange Server. Here, for logging your Office 365 account, 2 methods are available: basic authentication and multi-factor authentication. In basic authentication, simply enter the necessary credentials of your Office 365 account and click on the Login Now button. As a result, your Office 365 account will be connected with this software, and then you can continue the further migration process. Another login method is multi-factor authentication. In today's video, I'll go through with this method. For that, let's click on the Login Now button. Enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Enter the password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. If you have turned on 2-step verification or connected any authenticator app, then enter the verification code and click on the Verify button. In this wizard, select the Office 365 option and click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and it may take a few seconds to complete the migration. You will see this message once the migration is successful. Next feature is MBOX file conversion. First, click on the Export option. Here you have the option to convert your MBOX files into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, and PDF format. For this tutorial, let's select the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Select the destination where you want to save the output PST file and click on the OK button. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion process will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your local device. That's all the features of our Regain MBOX to IMAP migration tool.